Want to connect Apify to cloud but not sure where to find the API token or set everything up correctly? In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get connected in just a few minutes. Before starting, all of you are most welcome in my channel Take a Dialogue. Let's go jump into the video. First, make sure that you are using Cloud desktop app as this integration is not available on web version. If you have not installed Cloud yet, just go ahead and install it first. After logging Cloud, you have to click on the customize from the left panel. Click on it. Then a new window will pop up and you will see there is an option connectors. Click on it. On the top there is a add button. You have to click on add button now. Then select browser connectors. In search bar you have to type Apify. Here is the Apify and you have to click on plus icon. Then click on installed. It will take some time to install, so keep patient. After installing, then you have to give the API token. To get API token, you have to open any web browser. I'm opening Chrome. In search bar, type Apify. Then you will get apify.com, which is official website of Appiy. Click on it and you have to log in Appiy.store. After login Appiy store, you will get this interface and then you have to click on settings from the left panel. After entering on settings, then you have to click on API and integrations. Click on it. In API tokens, there is create a new token. Click on it. You can add description. Here I am giving it a name. Then click on create. As you can see, the API token is created. Just click on copy button, then minimize it and paste the token in this box. Then click on save. And you have to toggle on this disable button. Now it is enabled now. After doing this, you have to close this window and you have to restart the Claude. After restarting Claude, again click on customize from left panel, then click on connectors. As you can see, now Apify is connected in your desktop cloud. That's it, my friend. If this guide helped you connect Apify to cloud successfully, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with others. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and goodbye.